Hey guys, welcome to Adventure Club. My name is Miss Lauren and I am the children's programmer at the Hammond branch. Well, today we have a very cool science experiment that we're going to do. So if you guys watched yesterday, you know that we read the story kind of like Goldilocks and the Three Bears, except there's just one bear. Well, today we're gonna keep going with Goldilocks, but you can't tell Goldilocks without the bears. So today, our adventure club is a science project about gummy bears. So if you want to try this at home, you're going to need to get some gummy bears and you want to separate them by color. Miss Lauren separated them red, orange, yellow, and green. So you'll need 4 colors, and to go with those 4 colors, you'll need 4 glasses of water. And you want to fill them about a cup of water in each one. And we're going to try to see if we can make these gummy bears grow. Sounds kind of cool, huh? And we're going to use different kinds of elements and things so we can see which one makes the gummy bears grow the most. So right here, this is going to be our control. It's just water. And then in this one, with the orange bears, we're going to use baking soda. And then we'll use vinegar and salt. Now, after you start the experiment, you have to wait for about 2.5 or 3 hours because you want to give them time to absorb the water and to grow. So, Miss Lauren's already started the project, so we're going to pretend that we waited the full 2 hours, but you'll be able to do that on your own at home. So let's get started. First, we're going to do the baking soda. So you're going to take a teaspoon of baking soda, and you're going to pour it in your first glass. You want to stir it all up. Just like that. There we go. And then the vinegar. I'm going to do teaspoon of that. It's okay if you get a little bit more. Sometimes it's hard to pour the heavy vinegar. Stir that all up. And then with the salt. To really make salt water, you're going to want to warm the water first, but you have to let it cool completely because it could melt the gummy bear. And we don't want that to happen. We want this to be a true science experiment. So we're going to take our salt and pour it in some kind of warm water and mix it all up. There we go. All right. So we have our water. We're going to take our gummy bear, put it in the regular water. Our next gummy bear is going in baking soda, the following in the vinegar, and our last one's gonna go in salt water. And we're gonna, remember, we gotta leave them for about 2.5 hours. So we're gonna pretend that we waited 2.5 hours. And now, we're gonna compare the size. Oh my goodness, you guys are not going to believe this. So I made a chart. This is going to be our water, baking soda, vinegar, and salt. So we will take the one that's just the water, but this is, remember, this is the regular size one. And I'm going to put that right here, and then I'm going to scoop out the one that had the regular water and put it right next to it. Oh man. And then we will do the baking soda. Then we have our vinegar. And I'm gonna come show you guys as soon as I scoop them all out. And then the salt. So if you take a look, the one that was just in the water, he got all mushy and he kind of fell apart. But the one that was in the baking soda, look, he's not even the same color anymore. He's almost clear. Same with the one that was in the vinegar. And he grew the most. And it looks to me like the one that was in the salt didn't grow as most. He's still he's smaller than the other bears. It's pretty neat. Well, you guys will have to try this at home, and maybe if you can find different items around your kitchen that you want to try to mix in the water instead of what Miss Lawrence used, I'd love to see your videos and come back and let us know what you've done on Facebook. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.